Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable case sound for headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones, then scroll down and click on more settings. After that click on case sound and you will enable it. And if you click again, you will disable it. You should also put headphones to the settings start working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.